Welcome back guys to a new video. In today's video we're going to be finally doing the A5's exhaust. However, we can't get the footage of the exhaust being done at the premises because we're not allowed to. So we do it before rev, before we leave, and then once the exhaust gets done, we walk through what we've done basically, or what they've done for us, and give you the after revs. So I'll quickly give you guys the before revs and then I'll show you the afters after. Basically it. So hopefully the exhaust modifications makes the car sound, a bit more beefier or whatever, a bit more down, So yeah, let's get it done, and I'll see you guys whenever. Welcome back guys. The exhaust has finally been done by the place I went to, and I can't lie, it's the missing piece that was, we were looking forward to. And yeah, so I'll start it up and you guys can listen. I mean, the car's already warm, so there's no cold start. So yeah, let's go. Exhaust makes choo-choo noises, and we've got a couple more stuff coming for the A5, and then we're going to introduce you guys to a new build, and hopefully you like it. So catch you guys on a new video, and hope you guys like what we've done with the A5.